Hey, Wagwan, you are welcome back to my channel. I'm KIDAAX, aka Sports Boy. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit your profile on Deezer. On my channel here, I talk about how you can better your craft as an independent artist or upcoming artist, what you need to do and what you don't need to do as an artist. If you're interested in a video, make sure you watch video till the end. Let's get into the video if you are interested. Okay, to edit your profile on Deezer, you have to visit the Deezer for Creators website. That's creators.deezer.com. I'll drop the link in the description. So once you click the link, this is what will appear on your browser. Then you'll request access if you haven't done that earlier. So I've done a video on how you can request access. So if you haven't requested access, you can't access your profile, so you have to request access to manage your profile on Deezer. So I've done a video on how you can request access for your Deezer music. I'll drop the link, I'll drop a card up here so you can just check the video out, and also drop the link in the description for you to check the video on how to request your access. And after you request your access, then you can just log in. Click on login over here, then log in for those who have requested the access, then you sign in. Okay, this is how your dashboard looks like. But before we continue, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit on the red subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. And if you have subscribed before, let's continue the video. Okay, this is how your dashboard looks like. Then you just have to go to edit your artist page. Can you see this over here? Can you see? Then you can change so many things over here. Can you see? You can change your profile picture. It's in here. You can change your status, your social media accounts. You can highlight your new releases. And you see, it's not that new releases during their first 30 days will be portrayed over any highlight piece of content. So you can highlight your release over here, your biography. And you see, you can write your biography in English, and you can translate them into different languages. That's what you can do on your Deezer for Creators dashboard. Right now, let me change. I won't be changing anything actually, but just as easy as that, once you requested access and you have granted access to your page, then you can do all this on your page. It's as easy as that. Welcome back. Thanks for watching the amazing video. If you find the video very interesting, don't forget to hit on the like button so the video can get more audience, and hit on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this